Turnover. Turnover. Chiffre d'affaires. Rotation du personnel. High turnover. The business reported high annual turnover. Workforce. Workforce. Personnel. Main-d'œuvre. A skilled workforce. The company employs a skilled workforce. Employment. Employment. Emploi. Full-time employment. She is seeking full-time employment. Promotion. Promotion. Promotion professionnelle. A well-deserved promotion. He received a promotion after 5 years. Resignation. Resignation. Démission. A formal resignation. She submitted her resignation yesterday. Retirement. Retirement. Retraite. Early retirement. He plans to take early retirement. Resume. Resume. Curriculum vitae. CV. A professional resume. She updated her resume before applying. Application. Application. Candidature. A job application. He sent his application online. Turnover. Turnover. Chiffre d'affaires. Rotation du personnel. High turnover. The business reported high annual turnover. Workforce. Workforce. Personnel. Main-d'œuvre. A skilled workforce. The company employs a skilled workforce. Employment. Employment. Emploi. Full-time employment. She is seeking full-time employment. Promotion. Promotion. Promotion professionnelle. A well-deserved promotion. He received a promotion after 5 years. Resignation. Resignation. Démission. A formal resignation. She submitted her resignation yesterday. Retirement. Retirement. Retraite. Early retirement. He plans to take early retirement. Resume. Resume. Curriculum vitae. CV. A professional resume. She updated her resume before applying. Application. Application. Candidature. A job application. He sent his application online. Qualification. 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 Professional qualifications. The position requires specific qualifications. Experience. Experience. Expérience. Work experience. She has 10 years of experience. Skill. Skill. Compétence. A valuable skill. Communication is an important skill. Communication. 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 Effective communication. Good communication improves teamwork. Collaboration. 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 Team collaboration. Collaboration leads to better results. Partnership. Partnership. Partenariat. A strategic partnership. The partnership increased business opportunities. Networking. Networking. Réseautage professionnel. Business networking. Networking helps build professional relationships. Negotiation. Negotiation. Négociation. Contract negotiation. The negotiation lasted several days. Agreement. Agreement. Accord. A business agreement. Both parties signed the agreement. Proposal. Proposal, proposition. A project proposal. The client accepted the proposal. Contract. Contract, contrat. A legal contract. The contract was signed today. Deal. Deal. Affaire, accord commercial. A profitable deal. The companies reached a deal. Transaction. Transaction, transaction. A financial transaction. The transaction was completed securely. Invoice. Invoice, facture. A detailed invoice. The invoice was sent to the customer. Receipt. Receipt, reçu. A payment receipt. Please keep your receipt for reference. Payment. Payment, paiement. An online payment. The payment was processed successfully. Refund. Refund, remboursement. A full refund. The customer requested a refund. Profitability. Profitability, rentabilité. Business profitability. The company improved its profitability. Sustainability. Sustainability, durabilité. Business sustainability. Sustainability is becoming a priority for many companies. Competitor. Competitor, concurrent. A strong competitor. The company faces strong competitors in the market. Competition. Competition, concurrence. Market competition. Competition encourages innovation. Advantage. Advantage, avantage. A competitive advantage. Low prices give the company an advantage. Disadvantage. Disadvantage, inconvénient. A major disadvantage. High costs are a disadvantage for the business. Opportunity. Opportunity, opportunité. A business opportunity. This partnership is a great opportunity. Threat. Threat, menace. A potential threat. New competitors can be a threat. Risk. Risk, risque. A financial risk. Every investment carries some risk. Crisis. Crisis, crise. An economic crisis. The company survived the crisis. Solution. 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 An effective solution. The team found a solution to the problem. 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 Problème. A business problem. We need to solve this problem quickly. Challenge. Challenge. Défi. A difficult challenge. Expanding internationally is a challenge. Success. Success. Succès. Business success. Hard work leads to success. Failure. Failure. Échec. A business failure. The entrepreneur learned from failure. Improvement. Improvement. Amélioration. Continuous improvement. The company focuses on improvement. Growth. Growth. Croissance. Business growth. The company experienced rapid growth. Expansion. 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 International expansion. The company plans an expansion into Africa. Branch. Branch. Succursale. Agence. A new branch. The bank opened a new branch. Headquarters. Headquarters. Siège social. Company headquarters. The headquarters are located in London. Corporation. Corporation. Société. grande entreprise. A multinational corporation. The corporation employs thousands of people. Enterprise. Enterprise. Entreprise. A private enterprise. The enterprise is growing steadily. Executive. Executive. Cadre dirigeant. A senior executive. The executive announced the new strategy. CEO. CEO. Directeur général. The company's CEO. The CEO addressed the employees. Director. Director. Directeur. A marketing director. The director approved the project. Consultant. 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 A business consultant. The consultant provided expert advice. Advisor. Advisor. Conseiller. A financial advisor. The advisor helped the company invest wisely. Investor. Investor. Investisseur. A foreign investor. The investor funded the startup. Entrepreneur. 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 A successful entrepreneur. The entrepreneur launched a new business. Innovation. 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 Technological innovation. Innovation drives business growth. Technology. Technology. Technologie. Modern technology. Technology improves productivity. Digital transformation. Digital transformation. Transformation numérique. A digital transformation project. The company is undergoing digital transformation. Automation. Automation. Automatisation. Business automation. Automation reduces repetitive tasks. Data. Data. Données. Customer data. Data helps companies make better decisions. Analytics. Analytics. Analyse de données. Business analytics. Analytics reveal market trends. Performance. 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 Employee performance. Her performance exceeded expectations. Productivity. Productivity. Productivité. Workplace productivity. Productivity increased after the training. Efficiency. Efficiency. Efficacité. Operational efficiency. The new process improved efficiency. Reputation. Reputation. Réputation. A good reputation. The company has an excellent reputation. Trust. Trust. Confiance. Customer trust. Trust is essential in business relationships. Loyalty. Loyalty. Fidélité. Customer loyalty. The brand enjoys strong customer loyalty. Satisfaction. 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 Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is our priority. Feedback. Feedback. Retour d'information. Avis. Customer feedback. We value customer feedback. Complaint. Complaint. Réclamation. Plaint. A customer complaint. The company handled the complaint professionally.